what started out as just trying to automate some of our compliance initiatives became a bigger real security win and effort across the org. And so we're not just able to automate user access reviews, but we're able to actually decrease our attack surface and our risk across RAMP, which has been a huge security and also an IT win for us. My name is Paul, and I lead our security assurance team here at RAMP. And the main goal and mission of our team is to protect our customers' data and also our employees' data. Our customers, when they use RAMP, they trust us with a lot of their confidential data. And so maintaining that trust for us is one of our highest priorities. And so by achieving compliance, we can demonstrate to our customers that we are willing and we want to partner with our customers to secure their most sensitive data. And so we were searching for a tool to kind of help us govern access to a lot of our systems that hold that confidential data. And we found that ConductorOne was the most willing to partner with us to help us really work through and think through our needs, help us develop solutions, and then partner with us to get to where we need to be. One of the biggest benefits that we get is we get a lot of deep integrations with some of our most critical applications, such as AWS and GitHub, and even our own RAMP application. And so through these integrations, we get a lot more detailed and centralized visibility into all the access that we have across all these systems. And we found that as we're working with ConductorOne, there were really great partners who are willing to collaborate with us and help us build the right solution to meet our needs, and really helping us solve some of our most difficult challenges when it comes to access management across the company. With access reviews, we have a lot of compliance requirements that we need to meet throughout the year, from our SOC 2 to ISO to PCI, and user access reviews are really a standard control. Previously, it took us about 50 to 60 hours from reaching out to system owners, collecting user listings, putting it all into a Google Sheet, and then sending it out again. And so there were a lot of manual touch points. What we were able to do with ConductorOne is automate that whole user access review process. Even with the automated access request process through ConductorOne, we were able to save our IT team 95% of time per ticket. It substantially decreased the number of tickets, but also decreased the number of time that our IT team had to really work with each individual user to grant and provision that access. And so there were just a lot of time savings across the board. But really, just as we control how users are granted access, we get to really fix the root of the problem, where user access reviews gives us a retroactive look. Controlling access requests really helps us to shift left and get ahead of the problem and really control how access is granted and our overall access strategy here at RAMP.